Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Gitanas Nausėda, the President of the Republic of Lithuania.
From now on, having synchronized our electricity systems with the networks of continental Europe, we are fully integrated with the European energy market. Our joint success, which would be impossible without the participation of our close friend Poland, shows the true value of solidarity and unity, the core principles of the European Union. It sends a strong message of encouragement across the entire continent. Everyone can see now that even in these challenging times, great projects of geopolitical importance can and should be implemented. At the same time, we understand there is much more to do. Witnessing systematic attempts to disrupt critical underwater infrastructure in the Baltic Sea, and also direct military attacks on Ukrainian infrastructure, we must work on ensuring the security of our strategic assets. This must be done at both the national and European levels. The goal that we share with Latvia, Estonia and Poland is to improve our resilience and promote sustainable economic growth. For Lithuania, this means building more links with our neighbors, such as Ceremonyl link, and developing new ambitious regional projects such as hydrogen corridor and energy hub.
You knew Russian energy came at a price: blackmail, price shocks, economic uncertainty. So we acted. With Repower EU, we slashed our dependency on Russian fossil fuels. We stopped importing Russian coal. We cut Russian oil purchases down to 3%. We reduced gas imports by 75%. And today, the last electricity grids in Europe that were still linked to Russia are now fully integrated in Europe's internal energy market. Our cooperation proves when we stand together, no one can blackmail us. This story is also about resilience. Russia targets European infrastructure, testing our defenses, spreading chaos and fear. And once again, the Baltic states lead by example. You have invested heavily in your cybersecurity of your grids. You're constantly strengthening them. And this is how we must think all across Europe.
Please activate the connection. Let it signify our togetherness and the energy independent